Let us examine the major news from last week. Recently, the 24th of May has been declared International Markhor Day by the United Nations General Assembly. The markhor, Capra falconeri, is an iconic and ecologically important species found in the mountainous regions of Central and South Asia. India's Dipal Karmakar created history by winning the gold medal in the women's vault event at the Asian Gymnastics Championships 2024 held in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. On May 25, 2024, Vice Admiral Gurcharan Singh assumed charge as the Commandant of the National Defence Academy. The Climate Change Conference was organized by the Department of Science and Technology (DST) at the Indian Institute of Technology (IIT), Delhi from May 27 to 28, 2024. RT, an 18-year-old rickshaw driver, was presented the Women's Empowerment Award, named after world-renowned human rights barrister Amal Clooney, by the Prince's Trust in London. Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Sciences launched the initiative Pragati 2024 to plan the future of Ayurveda. India organized a separate event on digital health during the ongoing 77th World Health Assembly in Geneva. Ansuya Sengupta became the first Indian actress to win the Best Actress award at the Cannes Film Festival. One of two climate satellites launched by NASA that will study heat emissions at Earth's poles. Kolkata Knight Riders won the IPL 2024 title by defeating Sunrisers Hyderabad in the final. First hydrogen bus handed over to Indian Army under Olive Green Going Green. Indian Army has signed an agreement with IOCL for this. World Dole Day is celebrated every year on the 28th of May. The Sonkutta or Dole is a medium-sized dog found in most of South Asia. A team of scientists discovered the species Edocladium sahyadrakam in the natural forests of the Kumbhavuruti area in Kollam district. The name Sahyadrakam refers to the Western Ghats, also known as the Sahyadri. Major Radhika Sen was honored with the United Nations Military Gender Advocate of the Year Award on International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers. The Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship has announced a strategic partnership with the International Labour Organization to advance skill development and lifelong learning in India and globally.